One of my favorite things to do this time of year in the post-spawn period is to go look for the fish before I even make a cast for them. Thanks to Lowrance SideScan, it makes it pretty much a piece of cake. So right now we're driving around a weed flat where the weeds haven't come up that far, and I'm driving around at 3 miles an hour looking for fish. The cool part is the fish are going to be the only things that mark bigger, where everything else kind of looks the same. So I'll drive around at 3 miles an hour, and as soon as I mark a pod of fish to the left or the right of the boat, I'll hit anchor on the trolling motor, and then we'll make casts to them. And when they're biting post-spawn, it can be instant gratification. I'm going to try to find some fish for you guys and show you what they look like. All right, as you can see, the weed bed right here, everything kind of marks the same. So one of the key things is to zoom out visually, and you're gonna look for differences on your screen. So here's all the weeds right here, and then like a walleye should be sitting, there's 6 or 7 of them right on the weed edge, waiting to eat your lure. That's when I'm gonna hit anchor on my trolling motor, and we're gonna hopefully start catching.